Next instrument is pH meter. This is the structure of pH meter. pH meter is an electronic structure used to measure the pH of a solution. Principle: the difference in the potential can be measured by making an electrical connection between the internal elements of the glass electrodes and reference electrode, that is calomel electrode. Calomel electrode is a type of reference electrode that based on reactions between mercury chloride and elemental mercury. These electrodes are commonly used in voltmeters and pH meter. The calomel electrode structure consists of an outer glass tube that is fitted with a slit at the bottom. This permits electrical contact with a solution outside the electrode. An inner tube is placed inside an outer tube. The bottom of the inner tube has glass wool at the bottom to provide for electrical contact between the content of both tubes. Mercury paste is packed on the innermost tube with mercurous chloride being dispersed in a saturated potassium chloride solution. And the pH meter is of two types, namely digital and manual pH meter. The manual pH meter consists of a power pack and two electrodes. The power pack contains an on-off switch, an indicating meter, a temperature compensation knob, a calibrate knob, and a wire with plug pin. The on-off switch is used to supply or cut off electric current. The indicating meter shows the pH reading. The temperature compensation knob is used to adjust the temperature, and the calibrate knob is used to set pH. The temperature compensation knob is used to adjust the temperature, and calibrate knob is used to set pH. The knob pin is connected to the main electric line. Electrodes. The glass electrodes has a hard glass tubes. At the base it has a thin bulb. The bulb contains 0.1 normal HCl, and the bulb is covered by a special membrane of soda glass. It is sensitive to hydrogen and it allows hydrogen to pass through it. And a platinum wire is connected to the HCl through silver chloride electrode. The wire coming out from the glass electrode is connected to the power pack of the pH meter. The calomel electrode is the reference electrode. It is so sensitive to hydrogen. It contains calomel, that is mercurous chloride, and hence the name the calomel is connected with the platinum wire through mercury. The free end of the electrode has a porous plug. The base of the electrode is deposited with potassium chloride crystals. The remaining portion is tilled with potassium chloride solution. And the glass electrode in the test solution consists of cell, and the calomel electrode constitute the other of cell. The circuit is completely by the two electrode. The uses of pH meter. pH meter is used to measure the pH of the solution, and it helps to find out acidity and alkalinity of the solution. And next instrument is laminar airflow. This is the structure of laminar airflow. Laminar airflow chamber is a sterile cabinet for aseptic transfer of microorganism. It prevents the contamination of culture during aseptic transfers. This cabinet is fitted with two filters. Through one filter outside, the air is filtered and sent into the cabinet. Contaminated air is sent out through the another filters. Air circulation inside the cabinet is aided with a fan fitted in the room. Inside the cabinet, there is a clear work area for performing aseptic transfer of cultures. The laminar flow wood separates contaminants from the interior space by creating a curtain of filtered air across the front opening. The worker has complete access to the materials inside the hood. He can extend his hand in the work area and do the experiments in the work area. The working environment is sterilized by using ultraviolet radiation and Bunsen burner flame. Through the glass shield, you can look at the work area. When it passes through, it becomes free for all particles above 0.3 millimeter dimension. Air is sucked in the sent out through a bank of filters with uniform velocity and in parallel flow line. Thank you.